You can see conflict with neighbors, spousal conflict. I can form a new theme under codes, click on this plus sign and call this conflict. Okay, let's just click OK. I can add, or I can go back to this theme and go to code memo and say this represents any kind conflict. Experience by pregnant mothers. Okay, let's close that. And then under conflict, now we can drag this code called conflict with neighbors under that theme, and we can go look for spousal conflict, drag and drop it there. Another kind of conflict, I don't see any other. Okay, inability to provide for family is a code I think that should still be under financial issues. Okay, that one I'll put it under financial issue. We still have spousal conflicts, and this one should be, I think this should be red. So this should be red. Yes, I want to change all subcodes, all of them should be red. Financial issues, all of them should be green, should be blue, sorry. Then